thing's just lighting up. It's like flickering.
I wish I could hold it still up. It's like flickering. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look over there. That's so pretty. That's like a pretty cloud. Well, look at the wispy clouds
Dude,
like that.
problem.
Like,
You gotta either speed up or slow down. That car's gonna get run off the road. Yikes, he was run off the road.
Well, you should have paid him
You were
attention.
slowing down though.
Well, yeah, because he wasn't speeding up to do something.
look how pretty that is. It's actually so
Just don't be surprised if he goes by you and flips you off.
I had right away.
Hey, what?
It said gusty winds.
This is a storm we're in right now,
Oh my
and
gosh.
it's pretty bad.
And we're going over a bridge when it says gusty winds for the bridge, and there's a storm right
Big
over
old
the top
trailer.
of us.
Yeah, that's scary.
We're gonna die.
And we're over a big, huge.
Oh, check out that head. Yeah, see that. Look at that. Take a picture of that.
Oh my gosh, no.
I can take it with the video.
Oh my gosh. That's...
Uh-oh. We're getting blown all over the place.
I don't like this.
Yeah, this is like the worst spot to be when a storm comes in on top of a big old
I'm
bridge.
glad you did it for them.
Whoa!
The rain.
I can't see anything.
Slow down fast so there's cars with it.
Oh, come on, let's get off the bridge.
Right, slow.
We're stuck on the bridge.
How big is the bridge?